Welcome back to Chancey FPV. I'm Jacob of Chancey FPV, and this is another one. This one is on Emu. You're riding on BetaFlight currently with a personal tune you could say. This one's got box stock rates on it. This is the build up. We have a GEP RC Mark IV frame, a Cat Extra tail camera, Newbie Drone Flow 1850 kV motors. There are 2306.5s, a Diatone Mamba stack with an F60 speed controller set, Fox ear antennas, TPU, black label CNHLs, black label 1300s. And you're riding on the exact same build, short of GEP RC 23065 1850 motors and the GEP RC and 50 amp stack. So they're both F7s. And this one's got the, like I said, this one's got the BetaFlight tune. This one has brand new EmuFlight stock rates, and we're gonna test them both out back to back today. I'm not gonna cut the camera off unless the camera mount right here hits the button. Hopefully it doesn't. And throw you guys on there. This one's ready, that one's ready. Box stock with rates, tuned with rates. Let's get it. All right, plug you guys in. Currently the VTX is on 25 milliwatts. We'll see if that's far enough to play here in a brand new spot. All right, get you guys off here and get you unplugged. Swap drones real quick. Without pushing the button, hopefully. All right, here we go. That one's done. Let's get you on the Emu build. Again, same everything, same. Not exactly the same components, but same. So. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that lens. GoPro's still recording though. Fuck. Everything else work? Let's see if it still flies. how about we get you guys a view of what just happened. So, hit that pole down there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but hit that pole. And this is what we get. Yep. And you can see it has some kind of protection in it. Not a lot, but I mean, you can see it's got a little protection, but yeah. She got the good out of that one for sure. For sure. Do you know what? That's FPV. So, I think I'm gonna end that video here. There's probably some stuff all over the lens. I apologize about that after hitting the ground. Please consider giving me a like, a subscribe, and comment down below what do you want to see next. What else do you want to see destroyed and where? This is an all new place for me. First time here, first broken camera. I don't particularly like being on camera. It's not exactly the funnest thing in the world for me, but I enjoy making the videos. I enjoy flying FPV, and you guys need to know who Chancy FPV is. And we will see you guys next time. Have a good one.